What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can create a Phantom wallet. All the process for that is pretty simple. You just have to come to Google and search for Phantom wallet. Let's searching for Phantom wallet will bring you these websites. Just go to this Chrome web store and then add to Chrome. You can download the app on your mobile as well. Once you do that, this is how to look. You just have to, let it install first. Once it is installed, you'll be able to see it is in the extension section. So as you can see, it is still loading up. As you can see, it is just done. After it is done, it will automatically pop up. Here, click on this create a new wallet. Now enter the password you want to set it for. So I'm just going to quickly set a password. Make sure to use, small letters, capital letters, and some special symbols as well. Now after that, agree to their terms and then click on continue. Now will be your recovery for days. So you just have to click on that. I would suggest you just take a photo of it. So I'm just going to use my snipping tool to take a quick photo of it. As you can see, it just popped up. I just took a photo because this is the way where you'll be able to use it to recover. So I'm just going to click on this continue and then click on get started. There you go. Your Phantom wallet is created and it is ready to use. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.